blast this out. And you roll the dice. But first you need to put stickers on. Yeah, you put cool gas. That's his bottom. Yeah, there's his head. See it. Yeah. Get the brain. Ew, a brain. Open the brain. Open the head. I open the head. That's where you put the stuff. But where's this knot? Oh, let's open it. Found these. Oh, now we open the head. Now, guys, we need the dice.
How do you say ears in Italian?
Ew. You have boogers. Ew. Guys, I'm putting on. This is Louie's boogers. Guys, where's the dice?
Where are they gonna put the boogers?
Oh, I got it right in my hand. So now, where is the dice?
It's right there, the dice. How do you say dice in Italian?
Dado.
Yes.
How do you put these boogers in? How will we hook it, Robert?
Yeah, but how does the game work?
Oh!
The brain shooter! Il cervello, brain is cervello in Italian, right? You hooked it in the nose. And how do you say nose in Italian?
And now let's put the rest of it. How do we put the rest? That means you get nut. That means you get nut. And this means switch it around. And now we're gonna keep on putting it.
Disgusting.
Now we put this in his mouth. These boogers. Now keep on putting the boogers in.
How many rounds are you gonna play, guys?
3.
And who is gonna lose
The most.
the most
Wait, get the booger.
is out.
Oh, get the booger. Oh no!
Whoa, 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 you cannot even get the boogers in questo naso, in this nose.
I hold it to close it.
Okay, but you didn't tell me. Oh no, now you have to open the nose again. And you also have to tell me how you say mouth.
Booger.
Oh, wow, you know. Why didn't you want to tell me before?
Now, oh, what is already sticking out?
Okay, it's closed. Now what do you do, guys?
Put on the ears.
You're gonna put on the ears, le orecchie.
Yeah.
Mettiamo le orecchie.
Wait, let me.
Got it?
Yeah. Oh, that doesn't go there. Wait, let me. It's strong. Yes.
Okay, they're both in. Now turn it around so everybody can see.
Okay.
And
Now, how do we roll the dice?
you have to put it from the back of his head. He's gonna roll down his mouth. Ti passa dentro la bocca il dado. Whoa! Okay, 2. You have to put 2 boogers. Let's see. Stick your finger in. Ew! 1. Gli hai infilato il dito nel naso. Ew! He sticks the finger in his nose. Guys, it's so disgusting. You go 1. Let's see. The second one. Is he going to
We
win?
got the second one. Huh.
Oh, you got the
My
second
turn.
one. X. What does it mean?
0.
Nothing. Okay, now it's your turn. Robert, it's risky.
X.
Nothing. Okay. 1.
Give me 1 book.
Pull this booger.
Yeah.
Okay, nothing. No brainy shooting. So let's turn it around again. Now let's see. Nothing. Nothing. You got lucky. You got an X. Jacob. Let's see what Jacob is going to do. 1. Are you getting this booger out?
Yeah, I got 1.
This gooey. You got
Oh,
it?
this is a bad one.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
It was a little
Okay,
stuck
you
in
have to show me everything you're doing, guys.
It was a little stuck in there. 1. Get 1 booger
1 booger.
really quick. And catch the brain if it pops it.
Which booger? Oh, you're picking the one you want?
So he doesn't lose.
Nice.
Boogers are sticking out.
Okay, there are a lot of boogers sticking out. You have to pick 2 boogers. 2 gooeys. Nothing. Robert, this is a risky one. This is a risky one for Robert.
Catch the brain.
Okay, go. You are gonna catch the brain. Are you gonna catch il cervello? Prendi il cervello. How many did you do? How many? Oh! Robert lost the 4th round. Now we are going for a 2nd round. Congrats, Jacob.
This game is so fun.
1, okay. 1, 2. Stick the finger up his nose. And pull it. Whee! Now it's Robert's turn. Well, how many? 1, okay.
Now look at this. I'm gonna put it. He's gonna flow up. Blech. So now get the dice.
How many?
1.
1. Okay.
Oh.
He has to stick it up his nose. Okay, got it.
1. Take 1.
Uh-oh.
That's gonna be the wrong one.
Oh! Robert
No.
lost because he lost 2 games. Do you wanna have the last game anyway?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have one last
Well,
round.
if I win,
You have it's 2 and 1
so now we're gonna put a little bit.
for the last round.
Yeah.
And what happens if you lose this round? You lose 3 out of 3, Robert. Are you gonna be upset?
Yeah, well, then we can get to it again.
Oh yeah, you can play as much as you want. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He needs surgery.
He needs surgery.
Oh, no, booger.
Oh, there's a booger. Oh. Ooh.
It's covering his mouth. Be quiet.
Be quiet. They're gonna put
Be quiet.
the brain in again, il cervello. Close it. Are you gonna be able to close the nose, guys, or do you need some help from my hands? No?
Maybe a little bit. Wait, maybe we could just pull it out just like that. Close it. And now we're gonna put it down his head, come in his mouth.
Oh, X, nothing. So now it's Jacob's turn. Oh, it didn't come out.
It's
Oh,
1.
1. Stick your finger up his nose.
Yuck.
Yuck. Did you get the booger?
Gotta put no.
Booger! Booger!
Oh,
Done.
there's one.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, another
Wow.
one's sticking out. You.
Nothing. Okay, now it's Jacob's
Jacob's
turn.
gonna. I hope Jacob loses this one.
At least you win 1. 1. Oh, nothing. Let me see.
When you touch the brain.
Let me see. Let me see. This booger. Wow! Hey, not again. This is not your lucky day, Robert. Jacob won 3 out of 3. Yay!
Thanks for watching.